I have no words because it is 7 a.m. and I have school trip today. I just woke up early and I literally just got burning spice on the Sugarfly banner. Like, huh? What? Huh? But where'd you come from? Oh my god. So I got a new cookie and I was like, oh, it says bold, so wait. So I just got 9,000 crystals and I was just using them. I did a temple on this banner, I got nothing. And then I did a temple on this banner and then I just got burning spice, like, hey. What is that? I don't care. Okay, I don't even know what the freak just happened, but like, yeah, something just happened because I literally just got burning spice. Oh yeah, guys, I made my Shadow Milk 1 star, promoted him. And then told me, why does he need 40 soul stones? I thought it was 30. I mean, because it's a beast. Anyway, nothing lasts forever. It's as simple as that. Yeah, I know. Let's just give you some leveling up stuff. Equip that. Guys, what was your first beast and how did that do absolutely no power at all? Like, I need to level you up. I can only make you level 34. Okay, you're the weakest beast I've ever had. My Shadow Milk and my Eternal Sugar, my Mystic Flower is stronger than you. Well, now I have every beast and every... Oh my gosh. There are so many cookies I can propose. I'll promote Angel. Yeah, I don't care. But I promoted you to be happy because you're almost 5 stars. So how much do you need? 120. 55, right? I don't know. Oh, that's perfect. Yay, you're 5 stars. Yay. Okay. So now you're maxed out too. Just like Ginger Brave. So how much power do you have? Absolutely nothing. It just gave me another thing in return, bro. Like, the only cookies that I need to get, most of them are epics, and then there's just 2 super epics, 1 legendary, and Pitaya Dragon. I only need 9 more soul stones until I get Pitaya Dragon, so that shouldn't be too hard. But like, getting a beast soul stone is easier than getting a Pitaya. I'm still in shock that I freaking got burning spice and I can still do a temple. Like, you guys have to try Sugarfly banner because it is so good. Anyway, bye.